Morgan.
I'm Harrison.
This is Morgan, please, and welcome to Ireland! Woo! So yeah, we're here in Ireland. We're actually house sitting, we're pet sitting here. If you are new to the channel, we pet sit all over Europe. That's how we can afford to do it. We have several videos talking about it, so click on those if you want to know more. But yeah, last time you saw us, we were in Romania, and we had quite a journey to get here to Ireland. It was actually stressful at first. They lost our bags and everything. We're still trying to get money from things we had to buy and stuff like that. So it was a big thing, but we are here now in this super peaceful, beautiful town of Cahir, Ireland.
So we are watching Dobby, which is this little pupper right here. She is super adorable, and she's not actually a puppy. She's 9 years old, she's faking it. But she does actually look like a puppy, and she's very fun and cool to walk. You don't need a leash, and she just follows you everywhere. She calls random commands. She's such a good girl.
You're such a good girl.
Yes. So they named her Dobby because she's a little sad looking, and she was holding a sock when she was a little pupper, so I guess that inclines them to name her Dobby after
Dobby
the
the
Harry
house
Potter
elf.
character.
We're also watching this stray cat named Dobby. Relax, she's so excited because she knows we're about to go out. But we're actually watching this cat as well. It's like not their cat, it's like the neighborhood cat. So it's a stray cat that everyone in the neighborhood takes care of, named Jack. She's a beautiful white cat. So those are our duties here.
So today's vlog is gonna be about kind of the life of house sitters, and so we're gonna start our day off as we do every morning and take Dobby out for a long walk near the mountains that are right outside. There's all these great, beautiful hikes, and Dobby's such a great hiker, and she's gonna come with us, and we're gonna go show you around.
We also want to show you the beautiful town of Cahir. It's got a castle. There's a castle in our town, dude. You can just walk to the grocery store and there's the freaking castle. That's so exciting. I love that. And yeah, we're going to show you the gorgeous town, and there's a music festival. This is Ireland, so there's a trad fest happening. We're going to show you that. We're going to go to the pub. We're going to get some Guinness, and we're going to show you our life in Ireland without spending as little money as possible, because that is our life. So this is
You
how
mean with spending as little money as possible?
Yes, with
right?
spending as little money as possible. So this is our life in Ireland, our life as house sitters, our life spending like almost no money to travel. And yeah, let's get started. Let's go on this hike, because I don't think Dobby can wait another second.
Why do you have to ruin the shot?
So we're about halfway up the mountain, and it's just so beautiful to be in these Irish forests with all the moss and the green. Ireland is the Emerald Isle, and it's so true. It's just so freaking green and lush and beautiful here, and we're really loving our life in Ireland. Just to get up every morning and literally hike a mountain that's in your backyard and go to the pub. Really nice people. Everyone is so incredibly friendly here, and we're going to show you when we go to the pub later. But yeah, we're just loving our time here, and I think people in Ireland are like generally more fit than us, or maybe it's just a coincidence, because we were in Slovenia last year, and our host family, because we were out volunteering, so our host like dad and his brother-in-law took us to a mountain to hike, and they kicked our asses even though they're significantly older than us. So I don't know if it's just people from Ireland, and actually they were from this area. People from this area in Ireland are super fit, or maybe we're just super unfit. That's probably it. Yeah, we're just loving it. It's so beautiful. Alright, so we got to the part of the mountain where we're broken out of the tree line, and right behind us you can kind of see the bigger mountain that we're heading toward over there. We're about a maybe half-hour walk from here. It's a lot windier up here and a lot cooler, but it's so nice to get that cold air on your face. Perfect after a hike. So yeah, let's keep going. Look how beautiful this is. I'm so stoked. We're literally in rural Ireland. I'm so excited. Yay, new country, new walks, new hikes. I'm so happy. Okay, let's go. She's the most patient girl. She waits for us every time we stop and film.
maid going to Cumber markets to learn. She went for her mummy, 3 hinds of fine yarn. She met with a young lord down the highway, and it made this young lady to dally and stray. Sit down beside me, I mean you no harm. Sit down beside me, there is new tune to learn. Here is Triggins, your mommy to pay. So lay by your young till the next market day.
So we made it to the top. It is so stunningly beautiful. It's so cold. It's so cold at the top here. I put my jackets back on. It is amazingly gorgeous. You can see all of these fields. Oh, I love rural Ireland. This is awesome.
I could sit by your young till the next market day. Sit down beside me, I mean you no harm. Sit down beside me, there is new tune to learn. Here is Triggins, your mommy to pay. So lay by your young till the next market day.
So the next thing we're going to do is to hike down to the bottom of this mountain on a different day, I think. Going to actually go to the town of Cahir, and we're going to live a real Irish life. We're going to go to a pub. We're going to do all the things the locals do. You're not going to want to miss it. So let's jump to the next day right now.
Good second morning. We usually take a hike up the mountain, but today is Saturday morning, and we're gonna go check out the locals farmers market that is in Cahir, actually next to the Cahir Castle.
Imagine just casually being like, oh, I'm going to my town farmer's market near a castle. It's so exciting. I love it. This is why I love Europe so much. But yeah, let's head down there. And also, while we're down there checking out the farmer's market, might as well show you the beautiful town of Cahir. So let's go do that now.
So as you can see behind me, we got this farmer's market that's going on. They got so many things. They got not just food, but they got music. They got some crafts that are going on. This is a really small community in Cahir. The population's around 4,000. And our Housesitting hosts actually know most of the people that are here. They talked about the guy who sells the carvings and that he's selling them for way too little and stuff like that. So it's really brings the community together, these little events like this. It's something that I think you can only really find in small town areas. Got this cool bun. It only costs €1. Looks very delicious. I don't know if you can see in there, it's full of jam and it's covered in frosting and it looks very flaky, so I'm just gonna shut up and take a bite. This is really good. I don't know if you've ever been to Honeydew and they have the cinnamon twist sticks. This is like that, like on steroids. It's really good. And it's even got like cream in there too. I don't know if you can see that.
It's rain. There's rain coming on the camera.
That's okay. All right, let's go find some cover real quick. Come on. So we did get caught up in a little bit of scattered showers, and our Housesitting host actually explained the weather news always says it's sunny spells and scattered rains all the time, everywhere. So even though it's raining right now, it's gonna stop, and I bet you in 10 minutes, and we'll see the sun by the end of the day. So I think that completes our time at the farmer's market. I ended up getting 2 peppers, ended up costing $1.50. The people here are super friendly and super talkative. If you wanna sit here and talk to some locals, this would be the place to do it. I think we're gonna wait until it gets sunny out so we can go and film the rest of the town. So see you in a second.
This video was meant to show an average day of our life as house sitters living in a rural town in Ireland. Usually we go to the pub, check out the castle, check out the Trad Fest. We just have so much footage, we thought it would be better to put them into 2 separate videos rather than one super long one. So definitely hit subscribe for the next video. You've seen clips of it in the intro of this one. We have a fantastic time. There is this awesome traditional Irish music festival. We go to the pubs. We see probably one of the best preserved castles in all of Ireland, which is right in our town. So please please hit subscribe. You do not want to miss the next video in this series. But if you happen to be watching this video after we have already posted part 2, then you will see the link floating above right now, so click on that. You do not want to miss the next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. I better or else. Okay, bye.